Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kurku MIDI controller. So the first thing you have to do is go to a browser. In this case, I use Brave, and then you go to app.kurku.tech. So here's the application. The first portion is called Session Control, and there's a drop down there where you can select the MIDI devices connected to your computer. In this case, I'm going to select this Midi Bus. What a MIDI bus allows me to do is send MIDI data from this application to other applications, such as Ableton Live or another DAW. If you want to know how to set up a MIDI bus in your computer, check out the links in the comments section. But for now, we'll assume you already configured that. So once you select that MIDI device, you'll get this Start MIDI. So you can go ahead and just start the application. A pop-up to allow the webcam to work with this application will show up, so you will allow it, and then you'll get soon an image of yourself with an outlined skeleton of your body. That means that the app is already tracking MIDI messages and sending them to this MIDI device here. So if we go down here in the MIDI effects panel, we'll see the MIDI effects that we're currently sending data to. In this case, we have one, and it's controlled by the nose. It's going to MIDI CC channel 40, and it's horizontal, meaning it responds in this direction. So if you see my nose, as I move left and right, you'll see the MIDI inputs and output meters respond. That means that the application is working. If you need more MIDI effects, you can hit here, Add Effect, and you'll get another one. If you click on it, you'll get this control panel where you'll be able to change the body part. In this case, let's select left wrist and set it up as vertical, meaning response up and down. Then you hit save. And then as you see my left wrist going up, you'll see the meters respond as well. So there we have two MIDI effects working simultaneously. If you wanted more MIDI effects, you would have to get into a paid tier that is currently at $15 a year. So it's pretty cheap. And the way you do that is going up here, and you have to log in with a MetaMask wallet. The reason I did this is to avoid storing user data on a database, not because this is anywhere in a form of crypto related. There's no cryptocurrency going on here. So to do that, you log in, you select, you authorize the connection, and there it is. Since I already have a subscription, it says subscribe until that date. But if you don't have a subscription, you'll see a payment button in which you will be able to use your regular credit card, and all the transactions are secure via Stripe. And your authentication will be your MetaMask, basically. So you can use it in different browsers with that. Once you have that connected, you'll see more effects pop up, and you can add more of them in case you're working on a more complex performance or show. And you'll also be able to save your sessions in case you need to come back tomorrow or another day to work on this project. So let's save it, session 2. I'm going to hit save, and then say I'm working on another thing, and then I need to come back to session 2. I'll go here and select session 2, and there it is. So saved. Another of the features that the paid tier offers and that you can't really see right now is that it allows the app to work offline, meaning if you're in a venue that has no internet or a place where an internet's spotty, the application can run as a regular desktop app in your browser. So you don't need to be connected to the internet. Now going to the top here, there's some helpful panels that can help you use the application. You here hit how to use. You'll see an explanation of everything I've talked about in this video. You'll have some helpful links to help you configure your MIDI bus channels. And in the What is Kurku section, you'll see what this application does and what the paid tier features are. Hope you enjoy using Kurku. Any feedback you have, please reach out. I'd be happy to respond to you and Have fun using it. See you around.